Hello everybody, it's Jordan Computer Scientist here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to read binary code. Now, I saw a video on YouTube where the title was in binary code, and I thought that was cool, so I decided to learn it, and I ended up liking it so much that I named a song Life in binary code, and then I named an entire album called Love in binary code. And I thought that album was really good, so I got it tattooed on my ribs. So I have love in binary code tattooed on my ribs. So with all that, I should know how to read binary code by now. So let's think of letters as numbers. Hopefully you can see this. But as you can see, you have A through Z, and every single number corresponds with its placement in the alphabet. So A equals 1, B equals 2, and so on, all the way to Z equaling 26. So as you know, binary code is basically just ones and zeros. And the computer uses binary code to create letters, which makes it easier for us to read. So a letter is going to be 8 numbers, a group of 8 numbers. Right here, I have all zeros. It doesn't mean anything. So right now, we're just going to focus on the last 5. Now, these 5 have placements. This is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now, wherever there's a 1, there's a number, and wherever, like if there's multiple 1s, then you add all those numbers up. Let me show you an example. So A is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This 1 is in the same place as the 1 placeholder, I guess, and 1 is A, so that's A. Now let me go over the first 3. So the first 3 determine whether or not it's capital or lowercase. So if it's 0, 1, 0, it's capital. If it's 0, 1, 1, it's lowercase. So this right here is capital A, and this is lowercase a. Had to put an equals there so you guys can actually visualize and distinguish between the two. So that also just means that B is going to be 1, 0, 1. I'm just going to do all capitals. It's okay. B is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, because 2 is right here. So if there's a 1 where the 2 placeholder is, then you go up and you see B equals 2. So if you wanted to do C, then C is just a 1 here, because 1 plus 2 equals 3. If you want to do 4, then you're just going to make both of these 0, but create this one. I'm not create this one, but make a 1 here, 2 zeros, because this is where the 4 is going to be. So 4 equals D, and so on. I hope you guys understand it. I'm going to create a Z for you, just because like that's the largest number. I'm just going to show you that. So this equals Z. So we have 0, 1, 0, 16 plus 8, which is 24, and then plus 2, because you know that's where the 2 is, which will be 26. Try to connect that. 26, and 26 is Z, or Z for everyone in England. I hope that really covered how to read binary code. I thought it was cool when I first learned it, so hopefully you guys think it's cool too. So if you ever see binary code anywhere, you can read it, and you can just say, hey, I'm smart. You're not that smart. I know how to read that. It's not hard. You thought you could fool me, because that's what I was thinking when I first learned it. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to join my Discord and follow me on all of my social medias on Instagram and Twitter. My name is Jordan the CS, and I'm going to see all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this, because